It's a material reading session. Listen carefully, children. The computer swallowed grandma. Synonyms: replay, answer, honestly, truly, refine, clarify, disappear, vanish, swallow, eat. Continuously, we are going to read the next Roman. Listen carefully. Rhyming words: squam, warm, kind, find, refine, online, see, me. Next Roman. Figure of speech. Figure of speech. A figure of speech is a word or a phrase that possesses a separate meaning from its literal definition. For example, alliteration, simile, assonance, etc. Yeah, many figure of speeches are there, children. Figure of speech which gives the beauty of the poem lines, which gives the beauty of the figure of speech is the ornaments of the poem lines, ornaments of the verse of the poem lines. Understand, children? Let us continue to learn the next one. Listen carefully. Personification. The poet personifies the computer to a human being and says it had swallowed or consumed grandma. Yeah, non-living things and abstract ideas are personified as a person. Understand? Portrayed as a person. It is called personification. In this poem, the poet mentioned the computer as a person. Understand? Living things. So, what is the figure of speech is employed in the poem line? Personification. Line 1. The computer swallowed grandma. Swallowed means maximum eaten inokana. It devoured her completely. Devoured her means the computer ate his grandmother fully. Understand? Is it correct, children? It's a imagination only, no? Animals, living things only eat the persons, eat the other animals, other livings. Isn't it or not, children? But in this place, the poet personified computer as a living thing. So, what is the figure of speech is employed? Personification. Hyperbole. It is extravagant exaggeration of an incident. Here the poet exaggerates and says the computer had swallowed and consumed grandma. It's a exaggeration only, no? Exaggeration. It's a simple thing, but the poet, his grandmother, the computer screen did not show his grandmother image. That is the reason the poet says that, yeah, the computer swallowed his grandmother. Is it correct? It's a exaggeration, It's a simple thing, but the poet exaggerates to project the things as project the things. And pun is a figure of speech. It is a play of words. In the poem, the poet writes that her grandma was caught by a virus. Virus means medically a bacteria that causes disease. But in computer, it denotes to a defect which areas and destroys the data in it. Yeah, before going to use the pen drive, we have to check whether whether there is virus or not, children. Isn't it or not, Kana? Yeah, due to virus, what happened? The system is a hang. It does not operate well, no, Kana. The same way, but in this it is a word, but it is a play word, but the poet uses the virus word. His grandma was affected by the virus. Let us continue to read these lines and answer the questions given below. The computer swallowed grandma. Who swallowed whom? The computer swallowed grandma. Whose grandma? The poet's grandma. She pressed control and enter and disappeared from view. How did grandma disappear from view? Grandma disappeared from the view on the computer screen when she pressed the control and enter keys of the computer. Isn't it or not, children? Yeah. She does not know how to operate the computer. But his grandson usually talking with him. His grandson usually talking with his grandmother through Skype or Hangout. She does not know how to operate. That's why she pressed control and enter button. The screen does not show his grandmother's image. That is the reason the poet says that computer swallowed his grandmother. And next one, it devoured her completely. Who does it refer to? It refers to the computer. She must have caught virus or being eaten by a worm. What happened to grandma? Grandma was affected by computer virus. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Where did the author search for grandma? The author searched grandma through the recycle bin, all kinds of files and in the internet. Yeah, he searched, isn't it or not, children? And the next one, answer the following questions. Who did the author ask for grandma? The author asked Jeeves. Jeeves is a software engineer or computer technician. Yeah, he does not know what happened to his grandma. He also failed to give a right explanation to the author. Did the author get a positive reply? No, the author did not get a positive reply from software engineer Jeeves or computer technician Jeeves. Okay, Jeeves is a expert in computer. Jeeves was was a expert in computer. Did not know. He did not know the reason. Third question: what is the author's plea? The author's pleads to send grandma back to him by an email if anyone sees in their inbox. Yeah, finally, in the last stanza, the poet asked all the readers if the readers happen to see his grandma in their inboxes. The poet asked them to send his grandma's image by email. First, Fourth question, list the computer terms used in the poem. Control, enter, virus, recycle bin, files, internet, online, copy, scan, paste. Fifth question, did grandma really get swallowed by the computer? No. Grandma did not get swallowed by the computer. Only her image on the computer screen disappeared. Do you know the difference, children? Let us continue to learn the next paragraph. 7th Roman, answer the following paragraphs. Why was Jeeves called? Was his visit successful? Give reason. Jeeves was called to find out why grandma was swallowed and consumed by the computer, or if she had been caught by a virus or eaten by a worm. Yeah, it's a huge doubt, Yeah, the poet has a huge doubt. The poet has a huge doubt. He tried many ways to search his grandmother's image. Everything was failure. The computer repairer Jeeves refined the search for grandma everywhere in the computer, and in the end he gave only a negative reply. He said that not only grandma but nothing was found online. This means that the computer's internet connection has been snapped for the reasons unknown. Do you all understand the theme of the paragraph, children? Let us continue to read. Listen. When and how did grandma disappear? Explain the different efforts put by the poet to get back her grandma. The poet's grandma was an old tech savvy modern lady who lived far away from the poet. The who lived far away from the poet? Poet's grandma lived far away from the poet. They loved each other and often had online video chatting. Yeah, they were chatting through online. One day grandma mistakenly pressed control and enter and completely disappeared from the view of the poet on the other end. Yeah. And next paragraph, listen. The poet took many measures to get back grandma. She searched. She means in this place the poet. It's anonymous whether the poet is male or female. We use he also, correct, children. She searched for grandma in the recycle bin and all the files. She also used the internet to find her. Then the poet called a computer mechanic Jeeves to identify the cause and bringing back grandma. But even that was a failure. Finally, the poet desperately means hopeless, desperately requests us all the readers of her poem to send grandma back to her if they find in her their inbox by email after copying, scanning and pasting. Yeah, it's a too interesting poem, children. I believe everybody is enjoy to read the poem. Let us do the worksheet. The computer swallowed grandma. First Roman, circle the computer terms in the given below words. There is no full stop. You should keep the full stop in the question, children. Control, bicycle, files, online, swallow, consume, inbox, visit, internet. Yeah, it's easy to understand, Just now we have learned these words, computer term words, Second Roman, match the correct rhyming pair. Squam, me, refine, find, kind, online, see, warm. Third Roman, search and write the meaning for the given words. Virus, you have to search. Understand? Virus, what is mean by virus? What is mean by copy? What is mean by recycle pen? Scan, what is mean by scan? You search to write the appropriate answer in the blanks. Fourth Roman, write your answers with the use of given poetic lines. In desperation, I asked Jeeves, my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. Question, why was the poet desperate? Who was Jeeves? Did Jeeves spot grandma? Yeah, you are all the questions answer were have been discussed while teaching the poem. Understand? Just now I have explained the theme of the poem. You just think it to answer these questions, children. Thank you for listening to the class.